Hey, how can you get the most out of your Cantu products? I'm Dion Smith, Cantu's natural hair education expert, and I'm going to share some tips with you today. Hi guys, so a great way to get your curls to pop and to create volume in your hair is to use a diffuser. One of the great reasons I like using a diffuser is because it has even heat distribution and it just gives really nice voluminous curls. So always remember to use your thermal heat shield when using any sort of heat protected appliances. If you want to create volume in your hair, use the sturdy double lift pick and that will create really nice volume in the roots. Remember when combing out your curls to only comb out just the first few inches in the base as to not distort the rest of the curls on your head.